Hundreds of spam tickets just buried your real customers? A bot attack on your contact form does not just waste time. It buries legitimate tickets, skews your metrics, and burns out agents who have to dig through garbage to find people who actually need help. Here is how to fight back. Spam floods are a triple threat. They bury real customer tickets under noise, distort your response time metrics and CSAT scores, and force agents to waste hours sorting garbage from legitimate work. A fast, reliable cleanup method is not optional. It is a business necessity. The right cleanup approach depends entirely on scale. Under 100 tickets, the UI bulk action is fastest with no setup required. For 100 to 1,000 tickets, automations process them hourly without constant oversight. For 10,000 or more, only the API or third-party tools can handle the volume immediately. Navigate to the ticket view containing your spam, then use the checkboxes to select the offending tickets. You can grab up to 100 at a time, and Zendesk allows cross-page selection, so you can work through batches systematically. Click the Bulk Actions menu at the bottom of the list and select Mark as Spam. Once confirmed, two things happen immediately. The tickets are deleted and moved to the deleted view, and the requesters are suspended from submitting future tickets. Two things you must know. If the spam came through an external contact form, use Bulk Delete instead of Mark as Spam. Marking it flags your own domain as a spam source. And if you make a mistake, you have a 30-day recovery window to restore deleted tickets and unsuspend users. For larger attacks, Zendesk automations process up to 1,000 tickets per hour without constant manual intervention. Identify your spam patterns, keywords, domains, creation timeframe, then build an automation to tag and close matching tickets. A 30,000 ticket attack clears in 30 or more hours. Set your automation conditions to match the spam pattern. Status is new, created under 2 days ago, subject contains the spam keywords you identified. The actions close the tickets and tag them as spam. Note that automations can close but not permanently delete tickets. When you need immediate cleanup at massive scale, the API is your only option. Use the Mark as Spam endpoint to delete and suspend in one call, or the Destroy Many endpoint for permanent bulk removal without suspending users. Respect rate limits using retry after headers, or your script will stall mid-cleanup. Zendesk automatically catches many spam attempts before they reach your views. Emails from known spam domains, invalid headers, no reply addresses, and SPF or DKIM failures land in the suspended tickets queue. Check it weekly. False positives auto-delete after 30 days, so act before legitimate emails disappear. Cleanup is reactive, prevention is better. Trigger-based auto-marking fires the moment a ticket is created rather than waiting for the next automation run. Add capture to your contact forms to block most bots, configure SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to reduce spoofed email spam, and restrict ticket creation to allow domains for internal support. Static rules catch obvious spam, but fail against sophisticated attacks that mimic legitimate inquiries. Eesel AI learns from your past tickets and detects subtle signals, unusual phrasing, suspicious links, context, mismatches, that keyword filters cannot catch, and it adapts as spammers change tactics. You now have every tool you need to handle spam at any scale, from the UI bulk action for quick cleanups to the API for massive floods. Try eesel AI free for 7 days and add intelligent detection that learns your business, so less time is spent on cleanup and more time goes to real customers. No credit card required.